Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus and algebra. The topic today is about find the solutions of x. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about the domain. So we know that this one cannot equals to number 0 and this one cannot equal to number 0. So s minus number 2 cannot equals to number 0 and s minus 3 cannot equals to number 0. So we can say that s cannot equals to number 2 and s cannot equal to number 3. So for the next one, we can do common denominator. So that means this one will multiply by s minus number 2, s minus number 3 on numerator and denominator. This one we need to multiply by s minus number 3 only. Similar for the second one. So now we need to simplify s minus number 2, s minus number 3 for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have 2s minus number 5. This one we put number 2 go to the right. So this one we have 4s minus number 10. Because number 2 multiplied by 2s and number 5. This one we need to expand. So this one we have 3s squared minus 15s plus 18 equals to number 0. Sorry. So we put this one go to the left. So for s we change by negative 4s. Negative number 10 we change by positive number 10. This one we have 19s. This one we have 28. And now we can apply the formula to find the solution of quadratic equation. So we have as squared plus bs plus c equals to number 0. So we need to find about delta equals to b squared minus 4ac. So b that is about negative 19. A that is about number 3. C that is about 28. So we calculate about this one. And we have number 25. Number 25 is about positive number. So we have two solutions. Now we apply the formula. So we have negative b minus the square root of delta over 2a, and the second one. So for this one we have b that is about negative 19. Delta that is about 25. A that is about number 3. So we calculate this one. And we have 7 over 3. So for the second one, we have number 4. So we see that this number and this number are not same as number 2 and number 3. So we can accept all of them. This is the end. Thank you for watching.